Hello guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerry Make It Easy. Today, I will be reviewing KitchenAid Mixer KPM50 and some tests with it. KitchenAid KPM50 is the bowl lift stand mixer that came with two 4.8 liter heavy duty stainless steel bowl. As you can see here, this bowl with comfortable handle offer enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread, or 3 kilograms of mashed potato in single batch. The bowl is also dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. With the power consumption only 315 watt, I could say this is the most power-saving powerful mixer, and the weight is around 13 kilograms. It has 10 speeds control, as you're able to see here, 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's powerful enough for nearly any task or recipes. Whether you are stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread, dough, or whipping cream. It has an overload reset button. As you're able to see here, this is the button. Okay. So, when the mixer is overloaded, the reset button will pop up and the mixer will shut off automatically. You need to wait for a few minutes, then push in the overload reset button. Turn the speed control lever to the desired speed and continue mixing. KitchenAid KPM50, it supported additional attachment to turn your stand mixer into a culinary center, such as make a fusilli pasta from scratch, stir a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds, and so much more. So how to do it? You just need to turn this. Okay. Then you open the front part. So from here, you can put any attachment as sold separately from the KitchenAid. Now, I'm going to show to you step by step how to use KitchenAid KPM50. First, we are going to attach this stainless steel bowl. You press the behind until you heard sound click. Step number 2, we're going to attach this pseudo hook. Okay, then you turn. then leave it. After that, we lift the bowl up. Done. You see the position is straight and it has locked the bowl. Next step, we're going to place this pouring seal. Okay, this pouring seal. Okay, so I just put here. Right. Done. So I already placed the pouring seal. Next, we're going to increase the speed control. Starting from 0, we increase slowly to speed number 1. A bit faster, go to the speed number 2. Or you want to be even faster, you can go to the speed 4 or 6. This is 4. Okay. And this is 6. Alright, so it's moved very fast. And back to the 0. Bring down the bowl. Okay, but the first thing you need to remove this pouring shield. Okay, I remove the pouring shield. Then we slowly we bring down the bowl. Lift a bit the pseudo hook, then turn. Okay, pseudo hook has been removed, and the last, we need to remove the stainless steel bowl. So it's very easy. You just need to hold the handle, right, and push to the behind. Done. So it's very easy to use this KitchenAid KPM50, and as beginner also for myself, I don't face any difficulties to use it for the first time. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and wish you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will never miss any video from this channel. Goodbye. Have a nice day.